Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create the virtual directory for the simple guestbook application. We are going to develop this application using the ESDN classes, the ESDN framework. So we'll use guestbook.com, which will be hosted on our local server. So I'm working on the Ubuntu desktop distro and the Linux distro, and you can create the virtual host using the terminal or either other ways. So I'm going to make a directory with sudo permission, sudo make dir with p, and I'm going to use the path where I'm using putting my guestbook.com slash html. So it will be my local directory where I'll put my code, and here now I'm going to assign the permission sudo chmod recursively on 755 var www.guestbook.com html sudo. Now I'm assigning to the assigning users to this specific directory ch on and recursively $user. It will assign the current user to this directory, and let's say var www guestbook in this. Okay. Now you can see that there will be a directory name with this name created by the terminal, using the terminal. So let us see var www, and here you can see that the guestbook, yeah, here it is. This is the directory we recently created. So let's do some other things. Sudo cp etc apache sites available, and I will copy this configuration file. In my system I have created already a lot of virtual hosts, so I am creating the guestbook.com.conf file by copying and modifying the old one configuration file. But in your case you will find the default 000.default.conf file in your Ubuntu virtual host, that is which is the default local host, and we have to copy this and put in the same place with our own required name, apache sites available. And I'm writing the name of my configuration file. Okay, the file has been copied, and now I'm going to modify the file according to my requirements. Sudo nano, I'm using the nano editor, and we'll see uh, guestbook.com.conf. This is the file. I have put these things in my configuration file guestbook.com slash html. It will be the same location, exact location where we have created the directory recently. This is the place. You can see this is the path to my directory guestbook.com slash html. So where it is the same address. Okay, these code will allow us to use the htaccess file in our um, directory for our local system, which allow us to create our user-friendly URLs and do too many other things. I'm keeping the server admin as my own email address, and uh, guestbook.com, it will be the default local name of my application, and guestbook, this is the alias. If somebody want to write the guestbook.com, the site will be available to the user on local machine. If the user wish, he can also write the www.guestbook.com and will access the same site, guestbook.com. Okay, I'm saving by the same configuration by pressing the Control X and then Y and then enter. And now I'm going to enable this website by creating the by enabling the site using Apache 2 Apache 2 site command. Apache 2 enable site guestbook.com.conf. Okay, it is activated now. So let us restart the Apache server. Sudo system ctl restart Apache to restart or reload. Reload will reload the Apache directly without closing it, without stopping the services of Apache. While restart Apache will stop all the Apache instances and will start after that again. So the Apache is okay. And now finally sudo nano dc and hosts file. Let's write down the name of this file at the end of our virtual hosts. 127.0.0.1 tab key and guestbook.com. Control X, then pressing I and then pressing enter. Now let's check either our host working or not. Oh, great.